Hello friends, welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. In this session, we will learn how to retrieve the data in the Excel file. This will be a very short video, but before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you, but it will give me a lot of motivation to create such a useful videos for you. Also, click on the bell icon to get the latest update from our channel. Thank you. As you can see on my screen, there is an index formula open. Now I accidentally started editing this document file, which was actually an original file. Now I just delete that index formula and I just delete some of the values from here, and I just save that and close that file. So what happened guys, in our office it's common to reuse the previous files for new projects, but sometimes we end up editing the original instead of copy. This can lead to data loss in the original file. To help avoid this issue, I created this video. It recently happened to me and my colleague helped me to remove this loss of data. Now let me show you how we resolve that issue. First, what can you do in such cases? There is a simple trick to recover the previous data. Simply right click on the Excel file, go to the properties, go to the previous version. Here you will get the previous version. Click on the file. So here you can see whatever the data we have lost in our previous Excel file recovered here, and now you can save that documents on other place. So I hope this tips adds a value and helps you avoid more similar issues. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and colleagues. And thanks for watching.